In this video, I'm going to go over a couple of problems I see if you're going to build stairs like this. And I came across this design while searching the internet. And I believe I found these stairs by just simply typing in concrete block stairs built easy or easy building concrete stairs. And a couple of them popped up. Now I want to show you the gaps we're going to have if we build it like this. So you can see a big gap between the back here and the front of the tread, and you can see a big gap between the two 6x6s that we're using. And I noticed in one of the videos, or a couple of them, they were using 4x6s, and the dimensions of my blocks might be incorrect. However, the exterior of the block dimensions are right on the money. And I believe the people were just simply gluing the parts together. So those are the first few problems we're going to be dealing with. And to solve some of them, we can just simply rearrange the blocks. You can see here where I've slid this one forward so that the back of this one lines up with the front of this one, and did the same thing up here. However, that means that we're probably going to need to cut these blocks. And if you don't have the tools to cut the blocks, then it's probably not going to be as easy as you thought. So if we just cut these two blocks here and leave this like this, you probably already figured it out. We're going to have a gap at the top and a longer tread depth. So let's cut our blocks again. We're going to cut this block, this one, and this one this time so that the dimensions of our steps are all the same. Next up, I'm going to take a couple of my own blocks here to create the front of each step and the top of each step so that I can provide you with the measurements of these steps. And it'll be a good idea to know these measurements before you build your stairway. And since we took the time to make the tread depths all the same, we have a 1 foot tread depth or 12 inches. And we have risers that are going to be a little different and unequal. So the bottom here, you can see if we draw a line, level line right across, our bottom riser is 6.5 inches. Then we have 2 7 5/8 inches. And then, of course, the top one is way off. And the top is probably going to be the biggest problem you're going to run into building this type of stairway, because you could always add materials to the bottom of this to raise it up. But you're not going to be able to do much to the top if you're working with a standard measurement like the dimensions of the block. And I didn't go into a lot of detail on building this, even though there are a few more things you can consider. And if I get at least 50,000 comments, I will definitely consider making another video. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.